In this tutorial, I will show with you step by step how to cancel Ftmo, your free trial. So follow me in this video and let's get started. First, log in your account with your all information and then scroll down till see support option. From the support, click send message. After click sending the message, you will see this one, click new ticket. From the new ticket subject, for example, cancel free trial. This is for the subject, and then write this simple message: I want to cancel, or write here hello there, I want cancel my free trial. So guys, and write this simple message, and you can add more messages here. For example, write your account details, such your email and your number, your account number here, and fill all details, and then upload if you have any attachment, and then click send this option, and then just await a message from Ftmo support team to reply to cancel your free trial. So guys, you will see this is for ticket here. You can follow this ticket steps by reply this message and just await for reply this from the support and the state of the ticket. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share.